And welcome to Sebastian's Custom Woodworks. We're going to do a shop tour today, looking at the Dewalt table saw with the bow system. Got a couple of Milwaukee drills there. Going into the dust collection with the Hoover central vac system hooked up to the table saw, the miter saw, and now with the new Max T sander, I've got one there as well. There we go, a router table, vise. There's the miter saw with the wood collection, custom built doors, rigid sander and some clamps, a 10-inch jointer and thickness planer from Dewalt. I also got the welding gear for welding anything. Got some tools hung up for organization, and a chest at the bottom here for more organization. We also have a grinder and an air compressor. Here it is, working on a chair next. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos coming up. If you do, subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.